Welcome to our cooking class. Today, we'll be whipping up some delicious and nutritious snacks that are perfect for any time of day. Whether you're craving something sweet or savory, we've got you covered. Homemade granola bars. Description: these homemade granola bars are perfect for peanut butter and chocolate lovers. Ingredients: rolled oats, peanut butter, honey, dark chocolate chips, chopped nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts. Method: mix rolled oats, peanut butter, and honey in a bowl. Add dark chocolate chips and chopped nuts. Press the mixture into a baking dish and refrigerate until firm. Cut into bars and enjoy. Cream cheese fruit dip. Description: a creamy fruit dip that pairs perfectly with fresh fruit. Ingredients: cream cheese, vanilla extract, honey, assorted fresh fruit, e.g., strawberries, apple slices, grapes. Method: mix cream cheese, vanilla extract, and honey until smooth. Serve with a platter of fresh fruit. Yogurt covered strawberries. Description: a simple and gorgeous treat. Ingredients: fresh strawberries, vanilla yogurt. Method: dip strawberries in vanilla yogurt. Let them set in the refrigerator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy snacking!